It always starts the same for everyone. You wake up and before your brain even boots up, your thumb is already scrolling. Within seconds, you've seen 19 people richer than you, 3 who look better than you, and 1 guy claiming he made $1 million in his sleep. And just like that, your mood drops before the day even begins. But the people who actually rebuild their lives, they do the opposite. They build on a foundation so boring, most people ignore it. Today, I'll show you how to do the same. Part 1. Morning control. You used to wake up like a glitching robot. Alarm, snooze, phone, scroll, panic. By 10 a.m., your mind has already burned through half its energy reacting instead of creating. Then one day, you start small. You drink water? Yes, water. Not an energy drink, not coffee that tastes like dessert, just water. It's boring, but your body thanks you instantly. Next, you make your bed. At first, it feels useless, like cleaning a crime scene you're about to recreate in 16 hours. But something shifts. Your brain gets proof that you can finish things. You stack 2 wins before the world even wakes up. You realize self-improvement isn't about adding more. It's about stabilizing what's already there. So tomorrow morning, water, bed, no negotiation. Part 2, the midday reset. Before, you'd eat lunch and immediately collapse like a medieval peasant who just survived war. Food coma hits, productivity dies, motivation evaporates. Now, you walk. 10 minutes. No headphones, no speed walking, no tracking. Just you and the earth. That tiny walk resets your blood sugar. It clears your head. It makes the afternoon possible again. It's not motivation, it's maintenance. And maintenance always beats motivation. Part 3. The evening revolt. Your old nights were a digital rave. One scroll turns into 200. One video becomes a portal, and before you know it, it's 2 a.m. Your eyes burn, and your brain refuses to shut up. But now you read an actual book, with paper, and your body goes. Your mind slows down. Your nervous system stops panicking. Sleep becomes natural again. It's the slowest miracle you'll ever experience. Part 4. The compound effect. Week by week, these routines start linking together like gears in a machine. Water, more energy. More energy, better choices. Better choices, better sleep. Better sleep, clearer thinking. Just quiet stacking. One boring habit at a time. People around you start noticing. They can't name what changed because from the outside, it looks like nothing. But on the inside, you're finally consistent enough to be powerful. Part 5. The truth about discipline. Everyone thinks discipline is suffering, grinding, pushing, forcing. But real discipline is peace. It's not arguing with yourself. It's reducing decisions. It's predictable routines because excitement burns fast, but rhythm lasts forever. Part 6. The money and mindset mirror. You track your spending, not to be stingy, but to stop lying to yourself. Every dollar becomes a mirror showing emotion, impulse, boredom, or escape. Eventually, the guilt fades because your spending finally matches your values. Tracking money becomes tracking yourself. Part 7. Eating clean, not fancy. You stop pretending healthy means expensive. You quit buying $15 smoothies and powders named after planets. You eat like a minimalist with standards. Rice, beans, eggs, potatoes, frozen veggies. Real food, real cheap, real results. Every home-cooked meal becomes proof you're in control. Part 8. The environment reset. The 10-minute tidy becomes your secret weapon. No deep cleaning, no aesthetic montages, just a quick reset. Right after Jesus. Control your environment and your mind follows. Part 9. The friend filter. You start saying no more often. Not because you hate fun, but because you've redefined it. Fun used to mean escape. Now it means progress. Some friends roll their eyes. Later they ask how you did it. Final stage, the real habit behind them all. You realize everything, water, walks, reading, routines, leads to one core skill, keeping promises to yourself. That's what boring really is. It means trustworthy. And once you trust yourself, you don't chase results. Results chase you. Start your boring era. Drink the water, make the bed, read the page. Repeat until repetition becomes identity. Boring isn't the opposite of exciting.